Dear student, yesterday we discussed the SN1 reactions, and we also studied about the mechanism of SN1 reaction. SN1 stands for unimolecular substitution, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now turning towards the next topic, that is SN2 reaction. Now SN2 stands for bimolecular substitution, nucleophilic substitution reaction. So SN2 means bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here we are dealing with nucleophile, means our attacking agent is nucleophile. Nucleophile is a species which carries itself negative charge, but it attracts towards electron deficient atom or site. So we are having here one example, one reaction is there, that is methyl bromide when reacts with NaOH, that is aqueous NaOH, then what happened, substitution takes place. Br get substituted by OH and we get CH3OH, that is methyl alcohol. Na, Br get removed there. Now if we see the ionic status for the reaction, what happened here, the out of NaOH, OH minus species, that is nucleophile, here it attacked on the molecule, that is CH3Br, and here now Br minus get removed here, means our leaving group is Br minus, that is also nucleophile. Now the reaction or reaction mechanism is completed in one step. You can see here the CH3 molecule is there and CH3Br molecule is there. So here first the CBr bond breaking process started, and at the same time from the back side the OH bonding is also started there. You can see transition state where you can see the Br bond is getting break and the new bond, that is OH bond, is now forming there. So that stage which happened in one step, single step is there, and this is a transition state. It is in square bracket because it is not a very stable compound. Immediately what happened, Br get completely breakdown and the OH get attached here. So from the back side it always attacks. So what we get methyl alcohol. You can see the geometry and the position of OH also there, and Br get removed. Now in this case the rate determining step is itself only one step is there. So in rate determining step two things are there, that is CH3Br as well as OH minus. Both of these species, they are there in or they are contributing in rate determining step, as though two molecules are there to determine the rate of reaction. Therefore we say that the reaction is second order reaction, and therefore two molecules are involving, and therefore we are calling it also as a bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Hence when we concentrate on chemical kinetics, so rate of reaction is equal to K, concentration of reactant, that is CH3Br, as well as concentration of OH minus. So here it clearly indicates the reaction is bimolecular, SN2 reaction is there. And now energy profile diagram. So in previous case, in case of SN1 reaction, as SN1 reaction carried out in two steps, in energy profile diagram we also get two peaks. But in case of SN2 reaction, the reaction is carried out in a single step, only one step is there, and therefore you can see here in energy profile diagram also there is only one single peak, or there is only single peak. Now energy profile diagram is what? It is a graph where reaction coordinate or reaction in progress is on x axis and corresponding energy is on the y axis, and whatever graph we are getting, it is called as a energy profile diagram of the reaction. So on the extreme left you can see there is a reactant, that is CH3Br and OH minus. Then the reaction goes up to activation energy, and then from there up to that the product is started getting it, and then at the right, on the right hand side you can see that we get complete product. That is, what is the product? CH3OH. Now the reaction is what? The methyl bromide get converted to methyl alcohol in presence of aqueous NaOH. Means Br gets substituted by OH and we get the final product. So this is the energy profile diagram for SN2 reaction.